Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
Hello artists! In this video I will show how to make fish drawing an easy way. We will begin by laying down the foundational shapes. Think of an oval for the main body and a triangle for the tail. These initial light pencil strokes are crucial as they are easy to adjust. Concentrate on getting the overall outline of your fish just right, ensuring it has a balanced and natural appearance before moving on to any finer elements. This simple start makes the entire process much more manageable for everyone. Now let's refine our fish's form. Gently connect the initial oval and triangle with smooth, flowing curves to create a more organic body shape. Next, place a small, distinct circle for the eye, typically about 1/5 of the way back from the nose. Then, sketch in the fins. Remember, most fish have one dorsal fin on top, two pectoral fins on the sides, and one or two pelvic fins underneath. These details truly bring your fish to life. With the basic shape established, it is time to add some character. Draw a simple curved line for the mouth, which can suggest different expressions. Behind the eye, add 2 or 3 short, curved lines to represent the gills, essential for a realistic look. For scales, you can draw rows of overlapping U-shapes or crescent lines across the body. Start from the head and work your way back, making them slightly smaller near the tail for a natural effect. To complete your fish drawing first, carefully erase all the initial light guide lines, leaving only your refined sketch. Next, go over your main outlines and key features with a slightly darker pencil to give your fish crisp definition and make it stand out. Finally, introduce some simple shading. Consider where light would hit your fish and add darker tones on the opposite side, perhaps under the fins or along the belly, to create a sense of depth and make it appear three-dimensional.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.